Hey guys, if your Microsoft Surface ProBook is not booting up, or if the current operating system Windows is corrupted and your PC keeps on restarting again and again and it is completely crashed, and if you want to reinstall the operating system, so I will show you the quick steps how to do that. So the first thing is you need to go to the BIOS UEFI options, so that we can select the USB boot from there. So to do that, you will see like power button, and there is power volume up and down button. So what you need to do, press the plus button, like volume up, and then press the power button. Keep it pressing until your PC turns on. Once it is on, you will see like the this kind of screen will come automatically. So this is actually your Surface Pro laptops UEFI options. Once you are here, you need to go to your boot configuration. Click here in the boot configuration, go to boot configuration. After that, you need to select the USB storage. Okay, select this one only. As you can see, as of now I am unable to select. Why is that? Because I have disabled one option, which is this one, enable boot configuration lock. If I disable it, if it is on, just disable it, then you will be able to check and check the options, and even you can drag and drop once like this option is disabled. So it is already, like in my case, I have enabled it. Just enable same like this, and uncheck or disable all other options, all other boot options. Okay, once this is done, after that you need to click here again and enable this option, enable boot configuration lock. So it must have to be locked, and only the USB storage must be selected for the boot. Then you need to see if like this option, enable alternate boot sequence, if this is enabled, just turn it off. You can use the touch options, or even the mouse pad, anything you can use it. So just let's turn it off again. If it is on, just turn it off. Okay, so once this boot settings are done, after that you need to go to security, and here you can see like the secure boot. So click here in the change configuration. Maybe in your case it will be selected Microsoft only, or maybe there it would be selected Microsoft third party CA. Whatever it is selected, just click on none. Okay, click on none and then press OK. Remember, okay, let's just press the OK button now. And before pressing the OK, make sure that your bootable Windows USB is connected to the laptop to install the new operating system. So let's just press the OK button here, and we will exit. So let's tap on restart now. Let's see what happens now. So my laptop is restarting now, and as you can see, like it is booting now from my USB, which is having the operating system. So as you can see, now we are in the setup of Windows 11. Here it is. So now you can continue the installing the Windows 11, the new version of the Windows. So for that, as you know, it's like a simple process. You will install the Windows in the same way you are installing in the other PCs. Just select your options, your keyboard input options, other options, click next, and it will prompt here install Windows 11, or you want to repair the PC. In my case, I am going to install the new operating system. I am not going to repair the PC. If you want to repair your PC, click here and you can continue. But I am going to install the new operating system, so I will select this option and then click here that I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps and settings. Everything will be obviously removed, since we are going to install the new operating system. After that, simply click next, and now your setup is started. So yeah, hopefully in the same way you will be able to reinstall the operating system in your Microsoft Surface laptop, which is having a corrupted Windows, or even if you want to reinstall the Windows. So yeah, the other options are somewhat similar, the way you see it in your normal PCs. So it will prompt for the license, it will prompt for the other options. Just keep on installing the window in the same way you install in the normal PCs. As we can see, our disk options page is open now, and it shows me the internal disk where the operating system was already installed, and here is the USB disk from where we are booting right now. So let's just delete everything apart from the USB disk. You need to remove the disk which is having the old corrupted operating system. So in my case it is disk 0. For sure in your case it would be the same disk 0. So let's just remove the partitions one by one. So just select the first partition and click on, simply you can click on delete partition, then select the partition 1, delete it, then it says the local disk, we will delete it, and there is another partition disk 0, just delete it. So we have deleted all the partitions which were there, and we have the total size here now, which is 1 terabyte. It is having the 1 terabyte SSD. So once you have deleted all the partitions, just simply click on next. So it will create the new partitions automatically, and then it will start the process. All you need is just to click on install now, since all the settings and the options we have selected already, and we have selected keep nothing. Keep nothing means it is not going to save anything, your files, your documents, whatever was in the laptop, it won't be anymore in your laptop. So remember that this is the full fresh clean installation of the Windows 11 on your Microsoft Surface.